Eto na. Hello mga Onis. Gusto ko lang magsalita about sa mga narinig ko po at saka mga grabe. Mas maganda siguro po kung sabihan niyo ako ng personalan mga Onis. Anyway, ganito po yan. So kaya pala before the visual prayer ng 1,000th, I was so really excited. Kasi since this year 2024 talaga po, nung December, doon po talaga ako nag-resume na I have to do my responsibilities as a blessed member. I don't want to cry kasi always na lang akong umiiyak. Kung nakikita niyo po talaga ako, I am very happy. Kasi kung sa tutuling, I have everything. Sa mga nakakaalam, yes, we are separated, kami ng asawa ko, physically. But I do believe, I explained so many times, kahit may work ako that time, para lang masabi ko lahat, the reason why na we are separated of my husband. But, never in my mind and in my heart, na hiwalayan siya. I have the responsibilities to follow our true parents. How many times I'll told sa mga nakakaalam po, I know the divine principle is very important to us, right? Alam niyo po, na-bless po ako. We bless in a different way. Many blessed members, they received their blessing, but they didn't understand actually, definitely the meaning of divine principle, just like me po. But because of just only one word, mga Onis, the indemnities. Indemnities. You know, if you heard that indemnities, that is pukwitanggam in Korean. So means, you have to pay all the debt of your ancestors. And of course, not only your ancestors, but those people, the citizens, those Israelites who tried and put Jesus Christ on that cross. So that's why, even we are not Israelites, we are still paying those indemnities. Ngayon on this, okay, let's do on the principle way. But if you are doing the principle way, you have to put in your heart. If you see the words, you know what? Hindi lang ito basta-basta binigay sa akin ni Heavenly Parents or True Parents this word. Those blessed members that I add in this group, even you ask them, I didn't add them because there is a reason, or I just add and just only something, is walang kabuluhan. I add in this group because I love them. And not only them, all of you. Kahit tanungin niyo po sila mga Omnis, hindi ko na lang po i-mention their names. I sacrifice myself. I have my job. Just like you. I need also to earn money, to save money for everything. Right? Because you have your children. That's why you cannot set aside, or you cannot give up your job. But me, I don't have children, but I gave up. And then, I'm doing witnessing. So, same. If you're not doing witnessing, you are earning money, right? But me, I'm not earning money, but I am doing the same. Witnessing. So, almost same lang po tayo sa mga Onis. Now, when we don't have the divine principle lecture yet, I know Ate Nina made this group, IFA core group. I really respect all the Sombe. I really respect all the president, all in those officers. I really respect you, Nis, because I've been there in that position before. I was also the vice president of Kangwon region before. And I do really feel kung ano yung nafe-feel nyo. Ngayon, bakit ako nag-share sa ating group? What's the use if you are attending the vigil prayer, if you are attending through parents? 왜 가만히 있어요, 언니들? Actually, those screenshot videos, I just only share in this group. Bakit sinabi ni Team Jiangning Kim Joanne na wag nating i-share yung mga ganyan? If you remember, there was a time or a case na during the vigil prayer that was Friday, nag-shut down ang Zoom. So they were thinking na there are some members or blessed members na nagbibigay sa mga ibang tao. So that's why they keep it like in a private for us. But if you are really wisely, you can use them and reflect in ourselves that we can use those words na we can share and we can apply in ourselves. Wala po sa position. I really understand your position. Hindi pa ako nag-over. Because it is my experience until now, and it was my experience until now. That's why I'm trying to encourage you. I want to lift up. I know that this group are not all active. Many of us here are inactive. And many of us here already left in our church, but I tried to put them here again. I live here in Korea for almost 23 years, and I received the blessing without understanding the divine principle, without accepting true parents when I received the blessing. And then when I received the blessing, I refused myself that I don't want my husband. So I asked my spiritual parents, my spiritual mother, that if I cancel this blessing, I have to pay more indemnities. Look, because of that indemnities word, ang sakit, ang lakas ng impact niya po sa akin, mga unis. Then step by step, I realized that I am very lucky to have our true parents in our life. I sacrifice my job, myself, sa mga oras na nag-share ako, mga unis, sa mga oras na tinatawagan ko ang mga lumabas na sa ating church, sa mga member na inactive po dyan. You may ask, after pag hindi ako nag-share dito sa ating group, expected nyo na yan. May mga kinakausap po akong mga inactive or active na mga blessed members. Akala nyo ang dali nilang makausap. Akala nyo ang madali lang silang ihakayat na ibalik sa ating movement. Nasabihin sa kanila that true parents are the Messiah because they are really close-minded. And still they know, they believe that Jesus Christ is the Messiah until now. Don't you know that every one of us has so much resentment, ancestors, bad spirit, and evil spirit in us? Actually, kailangan ko siguro talagang magsalita. Kasi dito ko mismo talaga, before the vigil prayer, dito talaga, ang daming mga ancestors or spirits naglalakad sa akin. And maybe this is now the right time.